Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but we're gonna just jump into this tutorial real quick, starting out with my moisturizer, applying that all over the face, making sure my hair and everything is out of my face. It's 2023 and I'm still freaking using Milani Conceal and Perfect. Still my absolute favorite, so I'm applying that all over the face. I'm actually almost out of this one, and then just applying that with a damp beauty blender, and then going in with the Milani concealer and just applying that with my beauty blender as well. I've missed you guys so much, and I'm just so happy to be posting again. Next, using this flash palette from Amazon, I'm taking this pink color and I'm creating my own pink on the back of my hand and then applying that straight in the inner corner. So we're going to be doing Nazara, I believe her name is, Nazara Looks, on Instagram and TikTok. I'll make sure to link her stuff down below. This video is old, by the way, so watched her video on TikTok and was like, I need to recreate this, so that's what we're doing today. Going in with the white color from the flash palette and applying that to the inner corners. We're going to use this color to brighten everything up. This look is going to need a lot of blending, just an FYI, using a few brushes just to blend that out seamlessly. Then I'm going in with some setting powder. I believe this is the Mercier setting powder in translucent, and I'm just setting the rest of my face so I can work on the face next. Next, going in with the Hoola bronzer with my Real Techniques brush. Carving out that cheekbone with some more of that translucent powder. Going in with a corally blush. And I'm just applying that all over the nose and then on my cheeks. And then topping it all off with the Amrezy Highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Bitch, they need to make a new one because this thing has cracked on me and I'm just using rocks and pieces of the ABH highlighter. I love it so much, and finding a dupe for this has been so difficult. Anyways, going in with brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder in dark brown, and I'm just using a brush. Next, adding my freckles with my freckle technique. I'm gonna make a video on this very soon, but I just used the same brow powder with an e.l.f. eyeliner brush, and I just kind of make little dots using the NYX Jumbo Eye pencil in my waterline, and then topping that off with pink from the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette in the waterline. Then for some mascara, this is the microscopic or telescopic or something like that, L'Oreal Telescopic. And then I made a mess. Taking the Colourpop Secret Admirer palette and taking this color up here, Hey Girl, and I'm taking that on a flat brush and I'm using this as lip liner. So I'm just lining my lips very carefully. For lipstick, I'm just using Anastasia Beverly Hills Nude, and I'm applying that all over the lips, and I believe that is it for the look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. I'll be posting really soon. Bye everyone.